Hi, I'm Catrin. I'm going to show you how to make your very own flamingo finger puppet from the book A Busy Day for Birds. What you're going to need is some scissors, glue, some orange foam, a pink washing up glove, some googly eyes and some feathers. Now take your rubber glove and you're going to cut one of the fingers off. Remember, scissors are sharp, so get a grown-up to help you. Take your orange foam and cut out your beak. Now we're going to use some glue to stick on the beak. And we're going to stick on the googly eyes. So 1, 2. And we're going to stick on the feathers. So if you place some glue at the back, and then we can pop on the feathers. There you have your own flamingo finger puppet. Now, can you stand tall on just one leg like a flamingo? Yes, you can.